little champion, welcome back to Bhanzu classes once again, and I hope you had a blasting day. So let's quickly start the session. We will quickly recall what did we do in the previous video. We talked about counting the numbers in group. So here you can see that there are 3 bananas over here, 3 bananas over here, 3 bananas over here. So total number of bananas are 9. And if we have to count the total number of watermelons, you can see that 3 are there in one line. 3, 3, 3. So again the answer is 9. So this is how counting can be done easily in groups. So now let me quickly give you a question to think of. If you see here champion, we need to answer how much is this? How are we going to answer it? You can see so many boxes, right? What are these called? How to count it easily, right? Because we cannot spend a long time on counting these one by one. So now we have an easy method for that. So let's get ready and we will be discussing about place values. Now which will make your counting even more easy. Let's go ahead and we will be learning about place values using blocks, strips and cards. Let's go ahead and the first thing is block. Here we can see only one block, right? Now what if I join 10 blocks like this? Then what will I get? I am going to get a block stick like this. And in this block stick, how many blocks do I have? I have only 10 blocks. Now, if I join 10 block sticks like this side by side, what will I get? I will be getting a big block like this. Here I have 10 blocks. Here I have 10 blocks. Here again I have 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I have 10. How many times? 10 times. Now, if you will be adding 10 times, what are you going to get? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, I am going to get one big block of 100 small blocks. Did you understand? Now we are going to go ahead and we will be counting the strips. Now in blocks, it was just like an object, but this strip is a flat one, right? Here, this is called unit. Okay, here we have only one unit. Now this is called a strip. If we join 10 units like this, then what do we get? We get strips. And now if we join 10 strips like this, then what are we going to get? How many units will be there in total? Again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I am going to get 100 units. This was so easy. Now let's do a question over it. The question is, how many yellow 10 strips are there? We can quickly tell it. Now this is the first strip, right? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I have 7 yellow 10 strips. How many red 10 strips are there? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, 3 only. Now we know that each strip has 10 units. So 7 strips will have how many units? Easy again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It will have only 70 yellow units. And similarly, if we have to count for the red ones, how many red units will be there? I know that these are in tens. So 10, 10, 10. So total is going to be 30 red units. If we have to tell the total of yellow units and red units, that is 100 units. And this is equals to how many 10 strips? The total 10 strips are 10 over here. You can quickly count and check it again. Okay. So here we can count the block sticks easily, right? So how many block sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 block sticks. How many blocks are there? Only 2 blocks. Okay. So 5 block sticks means how many total blocks? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right? So 50 blocks. And then 2 blocks. So 50 plus 2 is 52. We can say that there are 52 total blocks. Now let's go to the next one. We need to count the strips. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 10 strips and this is going to be 40, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. And then how many total units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 units. So 40 plus 4 is going to be 44. So in total 44 units are there. So we did this one also so easily, and I am very sure now you know how to count the blocks and how to count the strips. Let's go ahead to the next one. Now we will be counting through cards. So this triangular card is for a group of 10 and this circular card is for a group of 1. So let's see how many triangular cards are there. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 tens, right? And we know that this represents 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So this is 30. And how many ones are there? Only one circular card that represent only 1 ones. So I will be writing 1 ones over here. So 30 plus 1 is 31. And if we have to write in terms of place values, then we will say there is only 1 under the ones column, right? There is only 1 circular card. And if we count the triangular cards, there are 3 cards. That means there are 3 tens. This is again easy. Okay, let's quickly solve the question that I asked you initially also. So now here we can count it easily. We know that this is one big block of 100 blocks, right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So I will be writing 700 over here. And if I have to write how many 100 blocks are there, then only and only 7. Okay? Then how many block sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 block sticks. So I will write 6 tens because each block stick is made up of 10 blocks. So there are 6 tens. And if we have to tell the total, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is 60. Then after that, how many blocks are there? So we can write 9 for the ones place and 9 here. That means 9 blocks. So 700 plus 60 plus 9 is easy again. That is 769. So we can say that 7 is in the hundreds place, right? And 6 is for the tens place and 9 is for the ones place. And with the help of this, we can easily count the number of total blocks. Let's go to the next question and practice one more. Here we have 4 block sticks and here we have how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. And then 4 block sticks means 40. 7 blocks means plus 7. Here the total is 47 total blocks and 40 plus 7 is also 47. So I can say that here we have 4 tens and 7 ones. Let's go to the next question. We will be counting the strips this time. How many 10 strips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10 strips are there. And how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 6 10 strips means 60. 8 units and then 60 plus 8 is 68. So there are total 68 units. Easy peasy again. Now we will be practicing the next question. And here you can see total units. You can see how many 10 strips will be there. You can see how many units will be there. Now the number is 36. Now think of it, student. If we have to find how many total 10 strips will be there. I know that 10, 20, 30 because this is 36. Now 30 means 10, 20, 30. So 30 means how many 10 strips will be there? Only and only 3 10 strips. And how many units will be there? Only 6. So this 3 tens will make 30 and 6 units will make 6. So 30 plus 6 will make 36. Easy peasy. Now in 72, how many 10 strips are required? Of course, there should be 7 10 strips, right? Because 7 tens will become 70. And then how many units will be there? 2. So this will become 72. Let's go to the next one. 69. 69. So that means 6 10 strips. And how many unit strips? That is 9. How many yellow 10 strips are there? 1, 2. Only 2 yellow 10 strips are there. How many red 10 strips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red 10 strips are there. And so total number of units will be what? 10 plus 10, 20. So this is 20 here. How many red units? So here we know that 8 red 10 strips are there. You need to add 10 8 times. So this will become 80 red units and total units will be 100. And how many total 10 strips are there now? We can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 strips. Okay. So here how many total 10s are there? So there are only 5 10s. And how many ones are there? There are 3 ones. So 5 10s means 50 and 3 ones means only 3. So what will I write under the tens column? I will write only 5. Okay. And what will I write under the ones column? Only 3. So this is 53. Right? So let's go to the next one. How many tens are there? There are 3 triangular cards, right? So there are 3 tens. How many ones are there? There are 2 circular cards, so there are 2 ones. So here 3 tens means 30, 2 ones means 2. So if we have to write here 3 tens are there, 2 ones are there. Yes, let's go to the next one. And so here it says draw tens and ones and fill in the blanks. Now we know that triangle is for tens and circle is for ones, right? Now here the number is 40. That means there are 4 tens and there are 5 ones. Okay. So now 4 tens and 5 ones means what? We need to draw how many triangular cards? 4 triangular cards. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many circular cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy peasy. Next one. The number is 71. So here that means that it is 70 plus 1. 7 tens and 1 ones. So how many triangular cards will be there? Of course 7. So let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you are also drawing side by side. And how many ones? Just 1. So there will be only 1 circular card. So let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned what? We learned what is block, right? And then we learned about a strip, right? When we join the 10 units together, we get a strip. And when we join 10 blocks stick side by side, we will be getting one big block of 100 blocks, right? And then we also focused on what is tens and what is ones. We learned about these 2 place values. And you remember I gave you a hint of the next place value also. And I hope you remember what was that. Okay. So in the next class we are going to play even more with the numbers. Do you want to play? So join me in the next video. Bye-bye.